To rank your business on Google Maps in Gauteng, you need to optimize your Google business profile. Maintain consistent NAP information, collect positive customer reviews, build local citations, and create location-specific content. Gauteng's business landscape is competitive. Google Maps ranking depends on relevance, distance, and prominence. Don't just be on Google Maps, stand out. Local search differs from regular SEO. Optimize your Google business profile, your digital storefront. Complete every field, including a unique description mentioning specific areas and experience. Upload high-quality photos. Choose categories carefully and keep business hours accurate. Google Maps SEO requires keyword research for local searches, like plumber near me in San Tun. Use schema markup to help Google understand your business. Optimize for near me searches and build citations on local directories. Google My Maps increases visibility in local search results and improves customer engagement. Positive reviews directly impact your ranking and influence customer decisions. Analytics help you understand your customers better, and integration with Google services improves customer experience. Ranking first in Google Maps requires a comprehensive strategy focusing on relevance and prominence. Conduct competitive analysis, manage reviews, build local links, create local content, and integrate social media. Get your business on Google Maps by verifying your listing. Be patient with the postcard verification process. Ensure consistent information across all platforms to avoid verification issues. To rank first on Google, combine local SEO, content marketing, and customer engagement. Optimize your website with local content, use social media, manage your online reputation, and get involved in the local community. Advanced local SEO techniques include technical SEO, strategic citation building, content cluster strategies, measuring results, and long-term maintenance. Ready to dominate Google Maps in Gauteng? Contact us for a personalized strategy. Ranking on Google Maps takes time. Initial improvements appear in 2 to 4 weeks, with significant improvements in 2 to 6 months. A website helps your ranking, and 20+ positive reviews are beneficial. You can rank for multiple locations with comprehensive SEO. Google My Business is now Google Business Profile. Handle negative reviews professionally. You can't pay for organic rankings, but you can use Google Ads. If your business moves, update your Google Business Profile and citations.